Well, hello there! Welcome once more to Quanchua's Kitchen. And if this is your first time stopping by, I would like to say a very warm welcome to you. Dear friends, today I'm sharing with you this delicious, perfect for the holidays gingerbread cake recipe. This is very good and I know you and your family will love it. Come along and see how I made this. Here are the ingredients you are going to need, and everything is going to be listed in the description box in their rightful quantities. To start, I'm going to combine my dry ingredients. So I have here my flour. To this, I'm going to add my ginger powder, baking powder, cloves, cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt. I'll then sieve this. You want to make sure your spices are well mixed up here, so they are not going to end up in the cake in lumps. Set this aside and I'll crack my eggs. So I have 4 large eggs here and I'm going to crack these. In a large mixing bowl, I'm going to combine my butter, brown sugar, and white sugar. And using my mixer, I'm going to whisk this. So you'll be whisking this for about 3 minutes and occasionally scrape the sides just to make sure that everything that is stuck to the side is well blended in the batter, so you have a very beautiful textured cake batter. Add in your eggs, preferably one at a time. Then add in your vanilla extract. Gradually add your dry ingredients and milk, alternating from one to the other and preferably ending with the dry ingredients. Don't forget to scrape the sides. You want this to be a very beautiful mixture. So I have my burnt pan here. This is a gingerbread house. Very cute. Very appropriate for the holidays, and that is what I'm going to use, but of course you can use a loaf pan. And as always, I'll use Baker's Joy. If you don't have baking spray, just use your butter and your flour to do this. Pour your cake batter into the grease pan. Gently tap your pan on your countertop or work surface. This is going to help eliminate all bubbles and hopefully also ensure that your cake is going to be very even on all sides when it comes out of the oven. The bottom of this pan, or what will end up being the top of my cake, is very narrow and it will wobble if I set it straight into my oven. So I've started on a cookie sheet or baking sheet, and that way it's going to be stable. My oven has been preheated to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to bake my cake in here for 60 minutes. So an hour later, our cake is all done. Of course, I've also checked to make sure that a toothpick inserted in the middle came very clean. You always want to do that first, no matter what, because our oven temperatures vary. And I'm going to set this on the cooling rack for a while before I flip it. And now let's see how we made out. Flipping it. And here we go. Is this not beautiful? This is so gorgeous. I am so in love with this baking pan and what I was able to achieve. And just look at this. Now let it snow. Just look at how gorgeous this is. So velvety, so fine, soft, pillowy on the inside, and the aromas and the flavors that all these spices bring, the nutmeg, the ginger, the cloves, how perfect for the season. I know you will love it. Just grab yourself a cup of tea and just let this go down. So good. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and share this video, and until I come your way next time with something delicious, be loving, be kind, be happy.